So the easy version for this is just a knee raise in the front lever. So just doing a tuck knee raise. I like kind of 1 to even up to 5 reps for these. So nice dead hang. Really getting in nice and tight. For knee, you can do the bent arm drill, or with a little jump, come up and then bend the arms to come back down. Then for knee, you can do the jump and then you go into the straight arm on the way down, and then the straight arm pull. So from that dead hang, you can activate as you're going up through. So as I'm coming up, I'll start to use those lower traps integrated into it, so it's not just one separate movement. Controlling it on the way down, so you're getting around your 1 to 5 reps, nice and smooth. Then we're going to go into the planche. This one's going to be in the rings, so putting the hands into the rings. So bring them down quite low, less distance to fall. This is very hard, so you get a real appreciation of what those guys can do in the rings at the Olympics. Elite level gymnasts are so strong. So from here, just the basic bridge position, so you don't even have to planche forward, just like the top of a push-up without even coming over, and just holding that. So you might just work on that to get a 30-second hold, really trying to get that protraction and that turnout. Then from there, alternating knee lift. And then from there, you can bring it into the tuck just with the toe tips down, lower down to make it dynamic, and then press up into that position. So you might just keep those toe tips down. That's all I'm going to do today. That's pretty heavy, especially when you're really holding for that full 30. It is a big step up into the rings from the floor because of that instability with your whole weight. It's like when you first go from a bar dip to a ring dip, you can really feel that shift. The side split, just get a nice wide stance, you're shifting down and just getting 1 to 3 reps a side, even in this one. Pretty fast if you're getting 3 a side. But just getting down nice and deep, you can turn it down, get into that hamstring, come back, up, just centering yourself each time. For that, I like a nice kind of breathing rest because of the planche being a little, it's in the rings, it's not so heavy on the wrist like the floor one when you're coming over. So usually when we're on the floor, just doing that guy to counterbalance the wrist. But yeah, just a nice deep breathing rest. Using the bottom part of your lungs, feeling that diaphragm contract and really open up and expand the rib cage. Try and relax the neck before you go into your next set. So you really want to use that warm-up set effectively, really feel all the tissues turning on, making sure you're really getting into the right positions, and then load it up as you go through your progressive sets. So enjoy it, 4 rounds of that, that'll get you sorted.